Did you feel any pressure to be strong for those around you, even while you were breaking inside?
I absolutely did. Honestly, if I'm being transparent, you do. You want to be strong. I'm a mom. I'm divorced. I have a son that's watching my every move.
I think a lot of people think grief is just a moment in time.
Right.
Like, it just sits there with you.
No,
Yeah.
it is forever. And I just want to add, this time of year is incredibly challenging for many because it's the holidays. It's a trigger for many. There's an empty seat at the table, right? Relationship is what truly matters. I'm not chasing the things that I thought I needed for validation. I'm truly walking in light and purpose, and it feels so good.
Yeah.
It feels so good.
And I can see that. The smile just beams off of you.